Chicken bacon ranch sandwich recipe, griddle. Ingredients. 1. 3 large boneless, skinless chicken breasts, minced, or used chicken thighs, tenders, ground chicken. 2. Bacon strips, as desired. 3. Ranch dressing, Wishbone, Hidden Valley, or similar. 4. Rolls or buns, sturdy enough to hold up to fillings. 5. Cheese slices, white American, provolone, or your choice. 6. Mayonnaise. 7. Common Q custom salt pepper garlic mix, or your preferred seasoning. Instructions. Prep work. 1. Mince the chicken into fine pieces. 2. Oil the buns lightly with a thin coat of mayonnaise for toasting. Cooking the bacon. 1. Heat your Blackstone griddle to medium-high heat. 2. Place bacon strips on the griddle and cook for about 10 minutes until they're browned and crispy. 3. Once cooked, set the bacon aside on a plate. Cooking the chicken. 1. On the griddle, use the remaining bacon grease to cook the minced chicken. 2. Season the chicken with a custom salt pepper garlic mix, or your choice of seasoning. 3. Cook the chicken for about 4-5 minutes until fully cooked and no longer pink. Toasting the buns. 1. Place the oiled buns on the griddle, oiled side down. 2. Toast the buns until they're nicely browned and have a consistent texture. 2. Remove from heat. Assembling the sandwiches. 1. For each sandwich, place a portion of cooked chicken onto the bottom half of a toasted bun. 2. Layer cooked bacon strips on top of the chicken. 3. Place cheese slices over the bacon. 4. Drizzle ranch dressing over the cheese. Final touches. 1. Place the top half of the bun over the sandwich fillings. 2. Optionally, you can add more seasoning or additional toppings of your choice. Serve and enjoy. 1. Your chicken bacon ranch sandwiches are ready to be served. 2. Serve the sandwiches with your favorite side dishes like tater tots, fries, or a fresh salad. Enjoy your homemade chicken bacon ranch sandwiches that are bursting with flavor and textures from the crispy bacon, seasoned chicken, melty cheese, and creamy ranch dressing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit notification bell.